Big hole there. Big crack here. Bigger crack. Big hole. It goes straight down. Straight down into the room. Another hole here. Here and here. All of this is real pliable. This here, crack. So all the water goes underneath here and goes down in here. Another crack here. Hole here. Water down in here. Another hole here. All the way down. This is pretty good over here, but as you can see, that's all pretty bad this way. Up here, not too bad. The only issue I have is this. I gotta get this underneath those shingles somehow, or put down the mastic. I have a few more I have to hatch up there, but not too bad. It's just the main one up on the ridge. Has a couple little holes. And every single one of these nail holes, see the little brown dots? Those are the nails. They're all uncovered. I just cut this all down and cleaned it off. It's not looking too good, but it's not too bad. That's bad. But so those metal flashing pieces, I have to put those in there and bend them up. Cover those holes up. Should be not too bad. Problem I'm gonna have is reinforcing it down below.